Hello. Male. Yeah. Ngan do puduk. Ya ke tiang me. Chagoro de yilener. Yin mazne ke dial. Shimare. Tungorga ka Facebook. Ya. Mitene dinga chobler. Ke de rete zalwai kineren shilbare da ko de nywa ya kel. De lat. Kinde liba mat. Mana ite rong dingaling. All right. She contact a few people come in. You can either talk to Joy. Madam Nyadole Shingping Kid Cook. Nyariang Koryam and Honorable Kurgal. Kormale Chainer. Honorable Kor. Madam Mary Nyashomdio from Canada. Thank you for coming in. Hey, my sister Anne Cole from Utah, United States. How you doing? It's been a while. Yeah. I'm good. All right. Yeah, I think we already have a good number of people, and definitely I may try to come in. what I've decided to say it this evening. Yeah. Keep coming, my friends. All right. Do you hear me right now? Linh Yena. Kana ngaya go amadong Linh Yena. Ki chiang Linh. Day na gorpin no Linh Yena. And then chan no go de roi ke kendo manama. Yes, Honorable Kor, Milling in Yoda, let me know. Ko go roi ke. Okay, Madam Mary, thank you so much for informing me. Thank you, Salit. Thank you so much. Yeah, and barai ka tung nora kana to kawai ni. Ko jojeno taga madnaka ki mare to rai ka tung nora. Kata madnaka tung wana dong cha tung nora cha lingaken. Dara gwa ba o bike ba American kia baga chup ka jo ko tok melen ka ken. Yeah. Men goro dong de lat rita zaloai. Nuwala and the man marai go kona ron me jidit. Chana jian corona dan neshua 2025 jatwo. And tamata kon ka 2026. Malono to kon lai runa me jidit. Yeah. Taban han jangan ang gua mabar kaya gura ba ben ka social media along si madong de ben de do de la balar ki na de na la bener ke mala ki te michale char ka kreida ko dong de nywa kana khel ya ka dong la wona dit ka social media wadno ko dong bala watwar chin ki batwar ka la ka social media na ki wadno ko la jaga twaratin lakin kan mataka intentions ko ngana ba roi ka social media lakin corona me 226 chai char ka chano wen de la ta ko gom tot me de la roi kana de jo de ling ka de roi kana as individual they organize in groups, group discussion, especially social issues to content. Tirong koda na writing. Yeah. And the laro on wale chaben chajoy. Kalau jateh 226. Goro de la roya kiye ni chiang ini dialog content ngai ka. Nei dialog content la ling dit ka kene dialog content la raja mi chete ke pursa godre dialog content chawsin ajen nyam dong de nyoga yakel ko en chano 226 ba ben ga social media yeah social media ngai je long and good observer ngai tin dial kono to tin go you can manetin convert in tin dal ganal lakin jeno goma goma a platform ja dal ko dir ke chop dir roi ganal chang nan ke chang nan ganal dir roi ke neku dir manani ci gor ji ko kam ji bi ñoo ka kel di la do mo go jeno goye ci dong de bentin wala no wala ko do dal ka o ba ñoo ya kel ci social media and wala ci benda ner la ro do wen real ro da ko ba social media miniam and gone to our assassin to medan ke traditional music to no ara medan ko jelle preaching ma to ngot kanabre ya lakin me benre chata la to organize ke siang rek cha chore ya bogor I believe aram kelene nyam car community chitwar ke modern music but shoye ke was time mo story and kon la gorgo po wona me chala lenga kenenga mo wo joy kwa webeno I strongly believe we balaram kel tila founder of our country modern music at the community level and the country level I believe that yeah a kel and tama one me dead nay kung when it to tiene are jay to go taban we mon ke lu take me a little tight man any melody long ke leni ko god ya ngai na long ke leni la ledije ko gwa lakin bale take the man maybe a lot okay chi choko yigtia enjeno me jata kan wani ke nyerti nyeri mani wani doli di chawre jey te ge jodu di koko bum jol ken biagal mo ga platform biagal mo ga pursa dan yene ko ken biya sebelo ke yen elder ke yene di ta kan ngai ka madani chalat so I believe chatwar goma bar lakin bugwal ben ko de la palmane enjena da ngana daga lada dana chalat enjena de continue kan mongoda taka interest ko de community save or my country de another career de le nyoko makwa establish ajanta nan la lat ke je wi mon kelo lakin tanal ba daran yani peglonga da kelo kulu di lat ka kel amani shi dong mani shi gwana tukuran galad mani shi karamale kariya bale la gere balo kariya madodiyen so ngande la go yene ko dial kin jowi dial ngai na o ngana ngwan tuari ka chia nyono mi di long changa ngai chiang accepted godon dian kon la watin mi cha goro ba batwar ke ba jor ling ke changa ta gos la gorka enje na kame joyo chi o to kabul la aje support mi di long so they you thank you so much kade jo one yam was continuous support mani chale chuang enjen anna madala la ran yam ka benega social media kode jo yene dialon konen chi atwara kaling gobar ade jo chilo jate lo te long ka support na ya kama ka damane chiwa man michar kan tam ya kantor kainefal kinchip ganingen for some reason, but hopefully this year 2026 by joy again by joy jodrung one again by joy kid ko by joy barai ba long ke ye ja tu ma dan tam lakin barai kamandane chukudra laka ban wa ke kel anamada jan la niam and to other friends, family members, and people who follow my music, supporting me throughout my music career. I would like to say I came out to the social media for the first time. Yeah, as to share what is on my mind. Yeah, being appreciations throughout my career. Especially for you guys who have been supporting me, and then people who have given me necessary support. And then I really want to come out today, this evening, and be like to say, eyes, how you doing? And Happy New Year 2026. We're a brand new year, where all our expectations are needed, and most definitely for the musicians, you will actually be expecting a new song, new projects. Yeah, but a lot of people may be wondering why I've been keeping quiet for too long. Yeah, so I want to assure all my music fans across our country and around the world that I'm around. I'm very much around. Yeah, it was just a matter of time. So I didn't have an opportunity to come out with some things, something that you will really appreciate as usual. Yeah, but I have to promise. And I have to inform you once again that I'm still active in the music industry, and anything can happen. Yeah, especially this year 2026. Yeah, I may come out with, I may bring out a few songs that are remaining in my mind, because soon or later, I strongly believe I may not get whole as a musician, so I may resort to other responsibilities or developing a new career. I guess, and I believe anything can happen, but I have to be honest with you. That I'm grateful with my previous career, especially my music career. And then it is something I've decided to do. I've done it for a good number of years. And up to now, there's no regret. I appreciate myself. I appreciate my family. And I do really appreciate you guys, my supporters, and my friends, for standing by me and making my career possible. So don't give up. Keep requesting. Of course, I've received so many requests. Duop, where are the new songs? Why are you not coming up with something new? Yeah, so I know there's high expectations. And when time comes, anything good may happen. Especially this year, 26. Yeah, I be able. Yeah, I'll be able to come out with something new. Being Nuer or local Arabic or English. Yeah, but singing in English is not easy. Yeah, it is only easy for for Nigerians, because for Nigerians, they have good production. They have good music productions, and they make their cultures with modern music in a way that their country appreciate. And I also believe many Africans support and appreciate Nigerian music. So, and it's good that you sing in English, so a lot of people could be able to share from talent that individual is able to offer to his fun. So, on our local music, like language like Nuer, local Arabic for all South Sudanese to be able to understand the message or the lyrics. Yeah, we'll continue to do that for the benefit of our people. Yeah. So, yeah, a lot of people are turning up. I can see you guys. Yeah. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you so much for tuning on, saying hi to me. Yeah, Male. Right. Yeah, so this is the few thing I would like to share in English for the benefit of our non-Nuer speaker, so that they are able to hear me or get the message that I would like to share in this year, January 2026. So let's keep in touch, and then let's keep supporting one another. Let's not give up. Let us do what we can for our community and for our country. Yeah. I may go back to Nuer a little bit, and not too long. It may not be long. I may hand my my life's messages at this time. Yeah. Baluin ke pung Nuer. De yo ba che ner enyo. Trong chi đi đông ngoan chỉ có một bậc đấy. Yeah, cái đông đen cái kinh. Cái ngao yo go cái linh na. Yeah, so and while it's been ko ba yela bener.
Daddy?
Yeah.
I need to change to my home clothes.
All right. I mean, I'll get back to you. I'm on.
But I need to change to my home clothes.
Okay, I'll come. I'll come.
Can you help me right now?
Okay. Thank you. Nhà đó mình thọt giờ này thêm một đề luôn này chứ. Yeah. Yeah, anh bên ngân ko ba bay yo male cái run ba jidit 2026 bala run male enjen ngayon ni gwa ngan duop male. Yeah, anh mới cho nó mặt trên biết đủ male là tha cái băng la la George gwada trong ngwan enjen na dong da ne ting wan da la witness to that. And while I chap and rar ki 26 bidinimal we done bidinimal ka community con bidinimal dori con and by involved deeply ka social issues. Yeah, ka jor wana me barway ka tan tigana ka United States gwa na tapin kia Western world whether corona kondi al tikitin bajalba long bawa Canada and a time soon bawa Australia and a time soon London cha United States cha dala malar whether ne ka dial ko kona ka dial bajal tin enjeno barway ka social issues barway ko kidole ko kon gad kon charo por ko go iken korodian gorgo our opinion doran gora awareness wo tana na take na balad gad enjen tama te tung wan ti gui kon ga jong chu ga wal kien ka mi chu gui ba agwa te tung wan ba to go to ka community dan ni wo na makan awareness makai la cha tung go kan to kon kan wa gwa cha ka ngai ke Indian so ngan go re ja long ba involve ke ba participate ka community initiative community awareness ka social media ka di amanarwai barwai ba ka nei rungwan ta ka social media nei ta ka capacity ko de ngwa de discuss on public opinion ka te na nda te kana they inform agwa openly o ngana sama yabna social media ka ba ben ba participate kanyin dwaran for ngairo aramai mangayena ka ngai ganal ka chiang ko tu chiandu kana melody tagada njen mendinijan we mon kelo e chiang your character tana na chang gire te gudu sada ngai ne ringin ngol kini ne koni te ka pursa ko bai ngai ken de chiang la ne ko ken njen ko chiandu mi joyo te ka melody ko ra connect chiandu njen so magwa chiandu di chiang di yelong melody ba dara ta ka impact community lakin jin mi ramatol chiang chang te ka melong ka lani ala te ke du enjen katana nan enjen ke lakin dan ngadaro and personally I believe in myself ngadaro kama ngai ba nei ko ken ba ramro din ngadaro no kon to kon ke capacity to goal to kon ke blessing to goal to kon ke long to goal ku kam kon no nan chi enji ngai di lat ka cha ngai ba ngada ne ko dong di long kele ni and then did continue ko je then of course I'm not giving up my career as a musician ngore kanadong kon ga di ta 45 years tang ko ne ka dong ba lakin ka ko dong ta ne ka middle age ya ani ba ben ga social media barai ga social issues barai ga music issues yen ngana dia lang kono fanani ke comedians tinti joy entam ko community dan ko banyal barai ke ye ngen barai ba in terms of support yeah in terms of United States is a very strategic place where we can mobilize support for our comedians and musicians. God me adore me chela la goro ba appreciate career, ba appreciate ba empower financially ko balad nan la be ko long. So I believe tada wana ma ngal ga jene ringin ngwan e wodi na de glua I can coordinate issues, I can mobilize resources, I be able to support coordinating konen takel ke wana ma madnika ne dikyalan kon ngai sianda me chala wana me gwa chana support I believe take an one to the ngal kan to the manana chano ke chagui they support again and then when they jo yene ko our comedian lat kalan midi long kan jaka loy dan ka teb gol na tin wan lat ka doala kan ngol ga example da ran long ka ke shin jien ko dan ran wan ka la kan in term of comedy and mo nay di ka to gorga support and again our musicians panani ke jitu arolan nika tu ni dit kon waka bangi rad ni rami gar kire kai ni gar akulang nya jab ni dit kon dial ke panana kon tin tungo te kan tama kamil ko kon ke riet din tungo and yetro good support our young artists keep another content to middle age like us, starting with our senior Gordon Kong, Canada Gorga our moral support. And then, and terms of support, the way you do in one. Change to subscribe ni YouTube run as support. Okay. She pull on around, come on the support. Okay. She music run, she share as support. Alright. She didn't know brand support financial directly. Like indirectly. You can give some necessary support. To Gurka and Asia can talk. And Jano. So I wanna go pan a con when in a corner pipe and Jano. Take a middle ages like those of Bulbul Nyachwade, those of Kaideng, those the middle age. And Jan May Tiangoko. Grudana Mata, Goron Quangton, Rami Manyang Kelwal, of course, Manyang Point the Beje, Chapai Nen Takama, a Paitang 18. Baro Isinba, Njano. Baro I can have con, Kaban Raiban Latin Condial, Manyang, Ramkel con may go on support currently. And Jano. Waka can get Jay, Bakanga, Binjiri Big Ben, Sweet Angel, Chalamari Long, Assistant Sweet Angel, Tour Medi Chaleli. To move. She's able to move. She's very powerful. They appreciate and Jano. Then you condial Tija Tuargo by Akadaken, those of Lasna JJ, Shokamana ni Yamago Ajara, Japai Benia did go along. New condial doc support. Alright. I want to go when one can many of them. Yani when you bring a touring and go to Yani and Jano. Young Antomalana Chaku Gentleman, I have to give recommendation. I will try a man a lyrical woman like music and as I'm a senior, of course, our experience and a wealth knowledge is wealth care door karan matic experience door. So as I'm a senior, matic experience me kid throughout could you serve as a leader of the musicians in South Sudan. I serve in the high level artist leadership in the country. I believe Taka is a strong voice in terms of music and in terms of elder. My opinion matters, and and also my personalities also matter. Mecha cha recommendation cha to cha comment ko dor ko god special need ko ngai kanga de ngai won ne tore akedara morning. It makes sense, or it really mean a lot in term of lyrics, or in term of tunes. Ko music a tune and the lyrics and many other parts. So with this experience I have, and together with my colleague across South Sudan, definitely I believe a lot of people will join me, or I will be able to join so many people. And then I've been right about music industry in the South Sudan. Katanda wekeje, Katanchu wekeje, Katanongdala wekeje, especially Ghana kona bandiam. And then we can share our experience. Kadara kalwa, Gwadran Biben. But I think, Gwadri chicken to. Aran Mala assassin, and Womala, Balaraiba, Kenyan Mala. Lakin, I have a very strong reservation. Chala a couple of to go taking one. And even personally, take a low participation or less arguments when it comes to politics. I still maintain my position as a musician. Lakin when need be, I'm requested to take a midday lar on certain arrangement. There I ba ngaram kelmala la duida ba nangwa without fear or favor. Mangaya la po kadalang wade la roya thin. Dan I did trot the ngay ganga de la deken. Lakin telanga I'm not so much interested in political argument. Ko ngay ja are politicians ti ya kwany communities kafin MP ni kon bigo ray ko community ti kono woga jekka community ni kien ajan lan nana ya ko kwany je bigo right whether ya ko kwany kia they are volunteering ke cha ko nominate as long as you believe o jin MP bi ngay wala du a chiang ne ko gwana na jero o jin ajan gwana na bitin ke jan gwana na ditin enjena mero dien makan kwany kaborai on behalf of the community kichi MP kata MP tethin and no more interference chororo lot la kira me journalist kira me blogger me political commentator and then magoro mira me angai longa ka let me yega nam okay darwai ka kanyin siyasa darwai ka social issues darwai ka to that are concerning the country. Yeah, and they must be professional. They must be positive, even though some negativities are also there. But la gorda antanga imatot come down lade, especially in terms of journalism or having knowledge of manana goro birwai kaje. So mi chana siang chana bebab banala yani banala more careful about kati kon lat kon community dan ngai kon impact then a positive impact, a negative impact, and then definitely we can change our community or our country into a much needed direction or a right direction. Allow public opinion njen da kon musulien ko ken yana ko in special core communities njen making core community take responsibility ba njen mission core community chamanan de la core community chabalat njen bala na nan ronka nga ko bangay taka under taka under okay. Yeah, Goy, Stephen Goy Galua, Changa yo shake the plot. South Sudan isn't it upside down? Yes, exactly. It's not. South Sudan is not upside down. But this is not my mistakes. It's a mistake there. Arakwar, ni Goy Galua. Allow be my chiangan and design. Let me try to explain myself or defend myself. If you remember, allow take event me alel kijuba. The honorable Nyang dare ngai. Me alel kijuba allow take a marathon me alel MP ka South Sudan or East African kind of marathons. So I actually forgot about it. Changa invited the wangan bawa perform. And then, so make sure you have to dress like MP marathon uniform, right? This is how I received this uniform. The plug was upside down. I was not the one who designed it. A lot of people put it on. I think the mistake was from the producing. So Major Benga US and then shall be my own rocket. And then so I still put it on. Yeah, Kashia Jingora large thing which cha plug cha upside down, cha turn upside down, cha theban in one. Lakin I keep putting it on. And I know that South Sudan plug cannot turn upside down. Ja chungu gwade you can turn thin and then my point is just a close and that cover myself and mila the tama chalo no che keep like chalo stand upside down. So again go the long day long kela no mo go kalwa Stephen go kalwa yan in dialong konong chiang nen so Sudan plug chianen ke bi me sport money but it very much on medicine there la ji the MPs you kon nature event ya conduct ken especially they kon let the production of this closes. Yeah, but that's it. Yan go nong de Martin. So but lo ikaro ai nika ani ya changai tam go chia changanen changai chu bane yin ngwan manika managan mari injeno ani dial ko ngai ga ai chu buken injeno. So ani day yo happy new year to 26 ron mugwa ron me kone using gwa John le west sigurun te yuwa enjen let ko ngang nom ni alaron mal alaron bida kon ya da kon wedan ya da kon kapnial godna dial being a sport enjen to mangarga Africa of nation enjen kan kon joy thin so Malaysia kadong cha kon eliminate. Yeah, and then Olympic will come again and World Cup, especially for basketballer. Yeah, and then our participation also matter, especially our team, Bright Star. Yeah, Roname they don't want to be tour, and then looking to go, looking. That is my belief, and then so I'm going to my like up in social media 226. Roname lad them below on mala. I suspect that, okay? Bo yik mal Roland. And then I believe Major Ben Kiwas one of them. Chajian Chang invited ka Minnesota. Yeah, Major trip for the first time. She's no Madich damn along. And then ngay cái này đi ngoan ô Minnesota, way mà is no Madich. Injen ko jin thia ka Canada with me ko je long ka te is no madi che chik we ne itne Tennessee te yom go long yom ne re yom we dan lede me chup ka Minnesota grunwo ya re nyal chup grunwo around ta wali kana ta wal kel kana chup dan you dem no madi cha yo duop chi ben ka Minnesota, okay. Kajin is no didme kuile nongin. Che telang ngay mo ka. Nangay bazo Minnesota Latin is no madilong. La changay no makana benwana. Chang ye. Jinchi is no. Ko kendo man makelo kan is no kana dam. Akina wala chi beni chupa Minnesota. Kis no madija dam. Jina chi ben is no. So yo ka kis no giờ cái gì cháu ấy giờ nó quả là cô này chứ giờ cái quay gì nó đó anh chị nó cô Snow cái Minnesota mức khăn bên chỉ nhà này chỉ nào feel comfortable cô yang nghe cần là cái này nó có kiên trên chẳng qua là chỉ lười nhà này mấy chị cô cái Minnesota chỉ cần tụi mình bơi là năng la bar korodian go jen koje is no Minnesota la piel ya ka okay yani la ja pinga ba kwai yani yana go long okay la kin kan no kon la visitors mikini ningi la goro de jen mi yangi che na TJ war ya damari Nimos is my young. I spent like 2 days in his house. Yeah, there is no young American come Minnesota. So, and me chop been while like 226 social media. And mal lazim ya obete mal. Njen. Bote mal. Godna dial. otemal ka Africa Ethiopia date mal doran mo gwalong doran so Sudan gwa date ka mal ya jama mal gwani njen me jen ka jube njen tamla roya ga na changa jodu jube jin me da na jen chi chiang lo bay ki jube chi jen ta da na banje na yangu ga yo ga ngui lo to ga ri changwar njen yang jo ni me jen ore chi chiang jube bay cha jo ga no bialo nyola wida wo angu ga njen me da jen no ka ba lu njoba njen ka tu to na siga me jo ben ga social media bro ga na you know baben bawa no gwa semne juba de luntin njen so chankani chugo juba ba ani wa tamal gwa dia otemal ga Ethiopia roda palapin we ran so Sudan ba awoni gwa roda palapin ka America bangwa the me tidial ladem hopefully a bigger work go. And then of course we have like our brother John Jal Wagan. Jal Wagan again hello, I'm watching live in Europe. Kana kula ngai kula wedi and my brother John in Europe. Yeah, Europe ke joy otene kontungwan chika pai within. Yeah, so a desperate journey and idan kin jal malaba especially the along kono ko Europe. Yeah, ngwana kontingin ngwan chiang jabe put ka South Sudan. Ngwana tingin ngwan manu ngwana tida jen doran chi jen. So changa gai njena. I'm convinced chingwana chi be especially economic we don't get economic issues. Kawai michi ngwana she go bomb economically. Then definitely langwani timpol choken la jaga ko ken big jal long big jal go gwadron kon long de daran long tin daran gwarda regisin daran yo dara kalatin dara kwen dara take check dara take guard ko run tam wan ken waka mo waka niam yani ko woni waka me donke ka wudo be dong tele ji gad ke tele ji chieng ke tele ji chiek Roland chiem gwa njer na mo je gad kon che jaga jele long. So we pray for them and wo mal che je ka very strong message e we bi ajal ka mal go na dialong kon tin njer na ramo pol choko jiro long jal is okay ramo te ge diel goro be nyurwi broda palpin ba wa cha chiang cha pro cha ko remind me strongly our sister ni and nya go ket ya ga Canada. So uram waiting ba amagwa long nje ne ne dial kon to wi lo jun bom work for peace and national stability, you know, is very important. Kan to kon dong de gorde nyo ka ye ka jen tiang ma I didn't expect ko benay one babi joy kaba gor bang American and whether the along continent it is the first times my first live show 226 I believe it is a very good start kadongcha and chabiyo no and cha yo bodu open some jina nika ya ga jo ya ben nika ya be rol kawai ni so ben ka America ang yo ga jindu medan la we gor ka Ethiopia enjen bijen bo Uganda jal iblo ga Kenya bina jo ngane ye jor chawni yani chara no gomanan yani enjen lakini tama chukuna ga America enjen kinu ko Europe enjen so again the same message kan jor woni chaben jal ngai kon na gon United States tane kon dial tun won takatin ban yam na wal kala bana ga jal especially ko ga lo pa jere ba pa yen ba ben people like Central Young Gang, I've seen them here chikaben these are some of the people till I talk kele kon ka juba kane dum wan ko ken iben wane jal ga je Solomon tor kang ni ga ben wan kan tama ka so Sudan ne ko nu wan chi ga ben wan ko lo ga jo so mulo na America jal ga je okay ka America chingna thin ko na wi you see America e ching ka go ching ka gwal mi derante de badare gar tin for example mangi mana bi gor ka United States injeno ene laden ko woni ut ene mi jigu dor thin she be ignore laden bielet shang na ngudo gudo man tama baka South Sudan rame famous tama an lad mu ki man te lad mu pala lad ya la de all right ko ta gad ta ma ta gwar ta gan mari ta madunika nje ma ndo tik America oh ura America gwine thima dath nje lakin te ngona da lakin ben miche gorte magori di ba especially ma pol pointu ani to dial gor baraitin barai ba ka economy ka even our family financial strategies yani wala ba yanen hingwani especially wall goyoyol Dr. Goyo gade dong yanen ba ke social media ke nyamatori joli nyarot bangot a very strong question that taken right me antama guy na one yeah lakin mi na right thing they mean go adaba they identify lakin mi anang ba negatively ba that is a god lakin to me goye go no respond ka community elders ka community leaders go upon raising la latke take a malode all right take a malode in a way then ala very specific ka god kon ta ga chiang kawai ni ka ta ga chiang nora okay go ro ba rai ba ja chek go ro loi dien okay kan dor ba tie ka dup dun kon lat ko ngani mi chi lat ko do mai man nan mi ngal to wi dien jen bala gui ba ken ba ojin chere scams and jen ka community dan o de term ya lo tilat ka tin chala na to go tin lat ka is scamming ki shit na rodien ke lat ka to ko ga lon ken ko toro chara lot ke te gan kon chara lot ke te community I believe ting dia la chalat ki ka lwar tanken kan ngai ne ka gad kon lakin te kon responsibility to act plans clearly nguma lat ke fundraising ni ke ko more fundraising events are coming injena ka wo ben ka tel kon clear explanation ka tu kon ya thia gad ya ne bi woni kon ka fundraising kon won kon kum injene be chere garame yuro mai bana yu yere ka gad ko gada wala yu roda mai ko kui manan en dong de woje kin mi jira muding di bi ngai wuro yor mai ki wuro yor yer you see bi moi mi yer ma di lakin mi yer mi jedani je she mi jed ko gad ko tam ka Libya yer ma di de puj lakin jedani je chang bi betaga challenges bi ngai o te ma gor je so I also request and I heard our community elders and leaders will be able to experience magwa bit ngai magwa ka lat ko den community bi ko right then by awareness magwa by care out yeah I respect that question. It is a legitimate question ka public opinion and how we want to redirect our community. Kajer wana me 226. Ani yen ideal content this year theme is yelling kawol go jwa road, and then be a respond. I will also be able to get time and try to speak to them. Yeah, a tothe kawaini dan kona ino kona pa Benga Africa is a little bit challenging. Lakin me chana cooperate. He got a challenge that got kon ba dengai ba kan ba accent dan chada odong kuira na thok lakin her accents is different. Speak Nigerian la right kentama la right ka thodian la thie ka ye kan ka thodian tango na mi ye kuiliam she da ling di ye gui dong ki to ko wai ni lakin ka tware ken tama ka to ko wai ni na bai dan ai ye na ling kon ya ma kon ji South Sudan. All right, ko kan their confidence. Katilat ke kan tama ka United States. Many banking systems, many other economic sectors. Boom in Nigeria, nothing. Akin lel kana ka thodian. Manu konba chwana dol ka to ka waini o kan kon lat ko god eggs and nijan kan o kan kon ta opportunity ko bana dol ko bana receive ka United States. Mana gad konba ngai kana ba gad konba bana ga chop ko bi rai yani ba communication skill cha to cha be mi da long ko do me chi kon to chi kon beling bina rai openly clearly bi message na go bi ba and bi jakara ri chi mana ya no ken nya road ken wol go joyul a very clear communications strategies na ya leleken message dia na very clear yang ya long kono to ka wani dia na long okay, I'm coming. Yeah, I'll come. Talk to Nyarwat too. Okay?
Let her talk to her friends.
All right, talk to Liep. Or talk to Nyarwat. I'm coming.
I'd rather talk to her friends.
All right. Tell her that Baba said, let her help you.
Will you help me?
Okay, I'll be helping you. I'm coming. All right. Tanya adam mi goro bale look inje no te magoro balwag niya. And then I have so much to share with you guys once again. Thank you so much for watching. And definitely, I already informed you, I'm in social media to 26. It's a year of peace, year of so many opportunities. For our families, for our community, and more importantly, for our country. Yeah, I'll be joining social media network. I'll be having interactions, so many people. I also have to acknowledge my sister Elizabeth Poch to the interview with Dr. Nyamal. Dr. Nyamal is one of a PhD candidate, not only candidate, is a PhD students in the United States. Very young and not really very young, but she's a tiny girl, but very tough. I attend one of her lectures in Gallatin Church. I think that was a week ago. Oh, it was unbelievable. I never come across somebody like Nyamal since I came to United States. Someone who have the capacity to talk to people, someone who can defend herself, defend what she has done, somebody who has an ability to share what she has learned, what she has studied to his fellow communities and family in a very, very good way. Today, she has conducted a wonderful interview with Madame Elizabeth Poch. I've seen the interview. It was wonderful. They have touched so much, especially in educational sector. Yeah. And she's a very resourceful young lady. We guys believe our community is going to benefit from her experience, her vision, her commitment. She has an ability to inspire so many people, including myself. So I have to say, I also have to acknowledge and appreciate the interview that they have done. A lot of people have watched it, and let people keep watching it and share it, because it carried a very huge message and wonderful message. So with this, I will stop from here. Bye. Thank you so much. Love you.